Welcome back to the RT-Thread tutorial. This is Miko. And today I will teach you how to create your first RT-Thread project. Plan A, you need to prepare a STM32 Nucleo board and a USB cable. If you don't have the STM32 Nucleo board, there's the plan B. You can prepare STM32 F103 BluePill board. And you also need to prepare ST-Link debugger, a USB to UART adapter. You should connect them together. First, we need to connect the ST-Link debugger to the BluePill board. There are 4 pins. You can find it at the end of the BluePill board, and it's very easy to connect. I/O to I/O, clock to clock, power supply to power supply, and ground to ground. Meanwhile, you should also connect the USB to UART adapter. The adapter's TS pin should connect to the BluePill board's RS pin, which is PA10, and adapter's RS pin should connect to the BluePill board's TS pin, which is PA9, and ground to the ground. But we don't need to connect the power supply pin again. Okay, next step, we should download and install RT Studio. Please go to the RT-Thread official website, the Resources, Studio. Download and install RT-Thread Studio. When you have finished, please open this software, and I will teach you how to create your first RT-Thread project. New project. Wait a minute. You should click the SDK manager. And make sure you have installed these 4 packages. And click update. Okay. And then install your corresponding chip support packages. For example, I'm using STM32 F1401 Nucleo board, so I need to click F4, the latest packages, and install it. Okay, the package was installed, and we should also install the board supported packages, and I'm using Nucleo board, so I click this install. Great. So now you can close the SDK manager and new project, RT-Thread project, next, and give you a name, give you project name, test, based on board. Select my board is STM32 F401 ST Nucleo board, and latest version, finished. Now, RT-Thread Studio have helped you to create a project automatically, and click this button debug configuration and download reset mode. We should select the system reset and OK. Now we compile our project. Okay, 0 errors, 0 warnings. And now you should connect your Nucleo board or BluePill board or whatever to your computer and click this button, Flash Download. Okay, the program has downloaded into your board successfully, and you may open the terminal. Click this button and select the correct serial port. OK. And enter. You can see that the board gave us some response, and I can type a command. For example, help list thread, and that's great. And meanwhile, you may notice that the LED is blinking now. And this is the main function. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time.